This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide or unhide adult content on Twitch. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Twitch here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitch. To hide or unhide adult content on Twitch, you first want to open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, across the top up here, you have all these tabs: Profile, Prime Perks, Channels and Videos. You want to go down to the very last one where it says Content Preferences and click on Content Preferences. And then right up here, it gives you a whole lot of different options. Hide sexual themes, hide drugs, intoxication, and excessive tobacco use, hide gambling, and so on. To enable any of these, like if I wanted to hide gambling, I would toggle this on. If I wanted to hide violent and graphic depictions, I would toggle this on. Down below that, blur sexual themes. If you toggle this on, blur preview thumbnails for content labeled as including sexual themes. That is how you hide or unhide adult content on Twitch. Thanks for watching.